Steve Jobs once said, people don't know what they want until you show it to them. But what does this mean to UX, UI designers today? Let's break it down. Looks matter, but usability wins. Your product is not a fashion model. It needs to work first, then look good. Think about it, ketchup bottle, the classic glass one look iconic, but people had to struggle to get ketchup out. Then Heinz introduced the upside down squeeze bottle. Same product, but infinitely more usability. Design should prioritize function before aesthetics. Trust your instincts. People don't know what they want until you show it to them. Take the iPhone. Before it launched, everyone thought they need a psychical keyboard. Jobs didn't ask what people wanted. He innovated, creating a touchscreen experience that feels natural from the day one. Keep it consistent. Your buttons, fonts, and spacing should match because chaos belongs in real TV, not UX. Ever used a website where every button looked different? Frustrating, right? Platforms like Airbnb maintain consistent UI elements across pages, making navigation effortless and intuitive. Iterate, iterate, iterate. If your first draft is perfect, you are either lying or at time travel. Keep improving. Apple didn't stop at first MacBook. Each iteration got better. Simple design, improved system macOS, better hardware, and longer battery life. In UX, perfection is a process, not a destination. Simplicity equals genius. Simple can be harder than complex. You have to work hard to get your thinking clean to make it simple. Google's homepage is the ultimate example, not clutter, just a search bar. Imagine if you have pop-ups, banners, and unnecessary menus, it wouldn't be intuitive powerhouse we know today. Simplicity isn't about removing features, it's about refining the experience. So, are you following Steve Jobs' UX principles, or do you think UX has evolved beyond his vision? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you find this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more UX UI tips and tricks. I'm Przemysław, see you in the next video. Take care, until next time.